If ever I had a video, would you dance in it?
Oh, hey man. After over 2 months of waiting, I finally got it.
Sunshine, you are
Hey, what's in the box?
sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
Alright, you gotta take these guys off. Just be very careful because it is getting brittle after a couple years of owning this. That plastic just snapped. So just be careful when you take those pieces off.
They said that you loved me all along. Now I see you.
Alright, got everything tucked back in there. That plate is down under everything. The tab sticking out on both sides. Then I have it pulled out as far as I can right now, and then I'll just adjust it as I need it.
Sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
Unfortunately, I'll have to give these away. They will not be compatible with working in conjunction with those. So, take out your bolts. Rockworks, not the cheap ones off Amazon. Alright, start these ones with your finger. That way you don't cross-tire them. That's 4mm. And then now I'm going to finish tightening these up. That is it. All installed.
I wanna see you come around my way, and I won't.
I'm just not going to use this mat anymore, and that's kind of sad. Anyhow, that's it.
I wanna see you come.
Oh, hey man, I got it installed. You know that thing I was talking to you about? Check it out.
Let it in, let it in. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
Oh man, where are you going? What are you doing? Holy crikeys. Not gonna be able to use those panels if you keep all this crap in here, dumbass. Time for that rear seat delete. The kids are all 20 and over.
Let it in, sunshine. It's another morning.